I am Jan Pelaos from VIT29. So, based on the video, the topic is market expansion and new target audience. Summary: the meeting focused on expanding the company's market reach and targeting a new customer's demographic. Market expansion: the group discussed expanding into international markets including countries Europe, England, Italy, Germany, and Asia, China, Korea, Japan, as well as Australia and New Zealand. The team recognized that while there is market for tan skin product is in Western countries, Asian countries, and to favor lighter skin tones. The target of the market was focused from the current 30 to 40 years old female demographic to a younger audience, especially teenager like 17 or to 22 years old. Product pricing. The team was proposed offering a smaller sample size of the product to encourage trial and build customer confidence before purchasing full-size product. Brand ambassador. The team discussed potential brand ambassadors for the new target market, including Kylie Jenner, Rihanna, and a male influencer with tan skin aesthetic. Promotion. Promotion. The team decided to implement new promotion offering pre-product sample wash clothes to customers. Then notes: the team expressed enthusiasm for expanding the market and targeting the younger audience.